Gotta get ready to go on the Kroc Center. Go swimming. Finna go swimming. Let's go. Let's go on this thing.
Nice flash.
Oh, I flashed along. What's up, Myhouse TV? Hey man, we in the Kroc Center. About to get ready to go to this pool. Got the whole fam with us. About to go see what this little swimming pool about, man. Let's go in this thing now. Alright, we in here. We're in the pool area. Oh yeah, we got kayaking. Huh? Yeah. We're gonna see what they talk about, alright? Alright? Alright, you ready to swim? You ready to get some fun? Yeah, we gotta get ready to go get on all this cool stuff. The slide still closed. Oh no, the slide open. The slide open, you going to get on that thing? Gotta go get on the slide, huh?
I'm gonna do a red flip.
All the boys over there coming on this thing. Trav must want to go play soccer. You going there? Alright. Alright, you gonna get on the slide? Alright, go ahead. You going down? You ain't get wet yet, so you're gonna go slow. Let me see. You up there, girl? Go ahead, do your thing. Whee! Oh, yeah. Uh-oh, there go. Dang, watch out. Dang, it was fast, huh? You pretty fast? Yeah? Alright, they're going to look at the tire. You ready? Yeah. Ready for some fun?
I'm the hussy.
Hey, what's up? What you doing? Hey, it's a break or something like that, so we waiting to get back in the pool. Everybody had to get out. Yeah, everybody had to get out. So I think we're just waiting to break to go back in, but they ready to go have a little fun. Alright, it's time to get back in. Alright, they gonna cut the water back on? Go over where? You gotta put your thing on. Let's go down the slide a little bit more. And then we'll go over there. Alright, here you go. I see you at the bottom. I see you at the bottom. Woohoo! Alright, get out the way. Alright, you ready? Alright, go in. Woo! You was in there. I see you, bro. You having fun? You having fun? Dang. I see you swimming. Where the boys at? The boys over there. Are they going to the gym? Where they going? Where they going?
In the back flip.
Who about to do a front flip in the back flip?
I did.
You did a front flip? Let me see. Let me see. Huh? You try. Oh, shoot. Look at her. Dang, I see your front flip. All right, do the back flip. Okay. Yeah, that's nice. Trav over here. What up, Trav? Giuseppe over there. Jump in that thing. Let me see. Oh. Yeah, I don't know if they can do a flip. Can they do a flip? Can they do a flip? That's up by my eyes. You going in? Oh, I see you, boo. What you want to say to Myhouse TV? You having fun? Yeah. Oh, the boys finally got in. So they go over there. Look at them. Look at them over there. Go over there cheesing. Look at them. Look at him. Try about to come over here and be aggravated. I'm about to hit him with this ball though. Who? Try. Oh, Jaquan going down the slide. Where he at? He just went over there. You bet. Oh, okay. Oh. What up, bro? He was finna try to go down a slide, but there ain't no lifeguards over there.
Well, you can't go down?
There's no lifeguards over there right now. It must be short staffed. What they over there doing? They're over there chilling. Look at that. I see you, girl. You finna do another flip? Let's see.
Let's do another flip. Do another flip. Let me see you. Ready?
You scared to do it. You messed up? Alright, well, we'll get you another try then. Alright, here's your other try. You ready? Go ahead, boo. You messed up again. You messed up again. Hey, we missed the one on camera, man. She had a little flip.
Why don't you just do a flip there?
Oh my God, she's jacking up. You forgot how to do it. What y'all doing? Y'all playing noodle? Say hi to Myhouse TV.
Hello, Myhouse TV.
Myhouse TV.
Myhouse TV.
Yeah.
Ready? I'm gonna do one here.
Go ahead. I see you.
I messed up.
Oh yeah, you always mess up.
Ready? Do a backflip with one-handed starting out.
Well, let me see. Oh, she's good. Yeah, one-handed.
I don't know what happened.
you need more practice, bro. Oh my gosh, you look like a dead fish trying to get back up.
Hey, try to get both of us on doing, she can do a handstand and I'll do
All right, go ahead.
backflip.
All right, handstand in the back flip. Let's go.
Okay.
Dang. You going first? Alright, you gotta back up some. Alright, go ahead. Alright, you ready? Dang. Alright, you gotta say hi to Myhouse TV. What y'all playing, ball? Y'all playing with the ball? What you say?
Can we take the phone?
What?
I want to take it out.
You want to get my phone? No.
We can both do it.
Y'all both can do some gymnastics? Both of y'all got y'all... Oh, shoot.
What?
Dang.
I'm not in gymnastics.
Dang. Yeah.
I can put my nose on my knee.
You can do what on your knee?
My nose.
Oh. Dang. That was nice. This guy right here. Yeah, there you go. What are you doing?
My neighbor said, can you cut your toe up without bending them?
Ah,
So easy.
nice. Nice. What you doing? You chilling? Nice. You got a noodle? You surely do. You sure?
Eat it.
No, you gonna eat a noodle.
No, you go eat
You
it.
gonna eat a noodle.
Go to the swim class.
Nice.
Slide in.
Oh. These boys over here playing pool volleyball.
Christian.
See what them boys got. Uh-oh. Boom. Okay. 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 Out. Oh. Boy, spanking it. Oh man. Alright y'all, hopefully y'all enjoyed the video, man. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Hey, and if you go to the Kroc Center, hey, make sure you go and get in that water in that pool, man. Hey, see y'all next time. Alright, see ya. Peace.